Well. Thank you very much for joining the Alexco tutorial moment. We are doing these online tutorials in order to help you ship your product or goods from China to Ghana very easily. And you know that to be able to do that, you must understand the interface, okay? Or you have to understand how to use these Chinese online shopping apps very well so that you always do the right thing and your products will get to Ghana safely, conveniently, and comfortably. So that's the purpose for this series of videos that we are doing and posting on all our social media handles. Now, today we are going to teach you how you can add your shipping address to the 1688 app. It is a big headache for so many people when it comes to attaching their Chinese shipping address to the 1688 app. Okay, it is very simple. We are going to take you through in a very simple way. So before we begin the tutorial, I want us to hear what Alexco Shipping has for us. You know, it is Alexco Shipping that is helping us to produce these videos from their studios and sending them to you so that can help everybody who is shipping from China to Ghana. Whether you are shipping with Alexco or you are shipping elsewhere, we still have to help you to do the right thing so that your goods can always arrive safely. The first thing you do if you want to add your address to the 1688 app is to open the 1688 app on your phone. Okay, so after opening the 1688 app, what you need to do is to select any item. It doesn't mean you are going to pay for it right now. We are just using the process to be able to add our address. So let's see, I want this soccer boot, so I select it. Okay, when I select it, then usually this button is a buy button. If you cannot read, or you don't understand, or you are not familiar with the Chinese writings here, you have to use a Google Translator, and that is also another video lesson, how to use Google Translator. But always the button here is the buy. So you click on that button, then you select the size and the quantity that you want. Okay, it is very easy. It is not difficult. So maybe these shoes, I want the size 42. So I come here at where there's 42 size is, and I just add one piece. I'm buying only one for personal use. So then you see the button below here. Okay, so you come down here and you click on it. When you click on it, your shipping address, if you have entered one already, will appear at the top here. We don't want to use this, so I want to add a new shipping address. So just click here. If you are a first user, it will just take you straight to where you add your first shipping address. So when you come to where the shipping addresses are, if you want to add a new shipping address, you come down here and you click on new receiving address. Okay, so there are two methods of adding your shipping address at this interface. Okay, the first method is for you to manually enter your China shipping address into the various spaces here, but that one I don't recommend it because people usually make mistake with that one. Okay, use the top here where you fill in your shipping address automatically. So by this time you would have received your shipping address from your shipping company. If you have contacted Alexco Shipping, we would have created your China shipping address for you on WhatsApp and given it to you. So all you need to do is to visit your WhatsApp, go and copy this shipping address that we have given you. Please copy only the shipping address. Don't add the shipping mark. Okay, for adding your address on 1688, just copy the shipping address. So I copy my shipping address and come back to 1688. Okay, then I paste my shipping address here. So you press the screen, the top here, then you select paste. Okay, after pasting it, then so now our shipping address is pasted here. So you come here and you click on fill in automatically. Please watch the cursor on the screen. So you come here, then you fill in automatically. So I click on fill in automatically. So you can see that my shipping address has been arranged into the spaces there. Okay, into the spaces provided, or the fields that have been provided there. So after it has been arranged there, then I do some few alterations. Okay, that one, it is very easier to do. So make sure that when it comes to Alexco, you always have the ALC beginning your shipping mark. So you can see that the boot or their software brought the John Mason. My name is John Mason. Okay, so I'm using John Mason for this tutorial video. So John Mason came before the ALC 4164. So I will do some modification. So the modification I will do is this. I want to bring the ALC 4164 first before the John Mason. So I cut the John Mason. So I cut the John Mason. So I'll bring the ALC 4164 first before the John Mason. So I come and paste the John Mason. So I have ALC 4164 John Mason. Please do not leave any space. Do not leave any space in between the ALC, the 4164, and your name, John Mason. Let it be together, okay? Just that the John start with the capital J, the Mason start with the capital M. We'll know that this is your surname, this is your first name. Okay, the app will recognize it, because when suppliers are sending things to our warehouse, they automatically pick this shipping address from the 1688. You have to enter it in a way that when it is generating the shipping address and make it a courier label, no name or no important information should be left out. If you leave important information such as the ALC, the 4164, and your real name, your package might get missing. Please, this is very important. So after that, we come down here and just eliminate every space between your name and every space between the 4164 and the ALC. Okay, so you have the shipping address. So we finished with the top one here. Now we've come here and made it ALC 4164 John Mason. Okay, so you can see it. So we have ALC 4164 John Mason. Okay, then we quickly add our phone number also to it. Okay, so ALC 4164 John Mason, then you add your phone number. So let's say your phone number is +233 24. Don't leave any space in between them. When it comes to 1680, you can do this on Alibaba, but 1688, don't leave any space in between them. So +23324123456 7. Okay, so let's go over. So we copied our shipping address without a shipping mark. We came and added it here. So we came and added our shipping address here without a shipping mark. Then we clicked on fill in here. Then we came to where the name is and we typed our ALC 4164 John Mensah. If you are sending to the bigger package warehouse, you don't need to bring the 4164. Okay, it can be ALC John Mensah, but there should be no space in between your name. Okay, then we came down here. Then where the address is, we entered the ALC 4164 John Mensah and your phone number without any space in between them. So that is all that matters. Okay, for the zip code, it is optional. Okay, so as you can see, so when you are done with everything, okay, then you come down here and you click on save and use. So you click here, save and use. So that address has now been added to our address. If it's your first address, it will also be added as your first address. So you can see how the address has appeared here. Okay, so check how the address has appeared here. You have ALC 4164 John Mensah and the phone number. No space between them. I'm emphasizing, and you hear me saying no space. If you leave spaces, I bet you your items will get missing, because we will not be able to recognize some of the characters, or some of the names will be left out and it will become very, very difficult. So please leave no space. So that is how you add your address or your shipping address to the platform. So now you can come down here. Okay, you can simply come down here and proceed with your payment. Okay, so when you click on pay now, it will go ahead to open the Alipay page and the payment to be done. So whenever, please, my advice to everybody is that before you come down here to click on pay now, make sure that the address you have selected here is right. Some people have different addresses they have taken from different shipping companies. You must know the address very well so that you can select the proper address to send the proper item to. Some products are not accepted by a certain shipping company, some are accepted by a certain shipping company. If you send the product to the wrong address, it will create a serious problem for you. So make sure that the address is always right here before you proceed down here to make your payment. Okay, so thank you very much for watching our tutorial video on how to add your China shipping address to your China online shopping app. Follow us on all our social media handles, on our YouTube page, Facebook and TikTok. We'll be bringing you a lot of more of these videos. Thank you for shipping with Alexco.